All new at 6, the perfect storm is about to strike millions of Florida homeowners in the form of higher insurance premiums. I-Team investigator Jackie Calloway discovered dozens of insurers have petitioned state regulators to raise rates this year. And the reason why depends on who you ask.
We have never filed a claim.
Jupiter homeowner Heidi Epstein said her property rate shot up by 50% after her insurer stopped doing business in Florida. Protecting her property will now cost Heidi an additional $1,500 a year.
This is not the time to have everything going sky high.
The I-Team checked rate increases approved by state regulators between January and September of 2020. The Office of Insurance Regulation gave the green light to about 100 rate hike requests involving dozens of insurers. According to rate filings, Capital Preferred plans to raise rates by 26%, and Southern Fidelity customers could see their premiums shoot up by 30%. The insurance industry blames the 2017-2018 storm season. Hurricanes Irma and Michael caused catastrophic damages and triggered more than $20 billion in claims.
Homeowners' premiums are increasing.
Senator Jeff Brandes says a combination of the storms plus rampant lawsuits against insurance carriers are driving the steep hike in rates.
They're filing more and more lawsuits. They know some of these insurance companies will settle, and ultimately those costs are passed on to homeowners.
Insurance Industry Watcher, a nonprofit, the Federal Association for Insurance Reform, points to thousands of lawsuits filed by contractors against insurance companies. President Paul Handerhan says they solicit homeowners through ads, calls, or door knocks and convince them to file an insurance claim.
Let us do a free inspection of your roof. Let us go inside the property of your home to see if we can find any damages. We will file a claim on your behalf.
And you have hundreds, if not thousands of people asking for new roofs. Then all of a sudden rates across the state begin to skyrocket.
That really upsets me.
Pasco County homeowner Linda Kemp got a new roof after contractor Smart Storm Solutions cold called her about possible storm damage.
Other than a minor deductible, the whole cost for the repairs, including the fascias and soffits, everything would be covered.
We checked court records and found Smart Storm Solutions filed over 300 lawsuits against insurers, including Linda Kemp's carrier, in 2019.
We don't do canvassing in neighborhoods unless we have knowledge of actual damage in those neighborhoods.
Smart Storm Solutions staff attorney Robert McKinnon says the company files cases after insurers refuse to pay the full cost of a claim.
They're confirmed claims. We're arguing over the extent of damages.
They just took the money.
Smart Storm Solutions also sued Larry Coleman's insurance company over his claim after cold calling the homeowner about roof damage.
Said that unless you get roof damage, would you like me to take a look at it? And I said, sure.
The I-Team checked and discovered court documents showing Larry's insurer settled with Smart Storm Solutions more than a year ago, but the contractor did not return to replace the roof.
The water just pouring in.
Larry and his wife say they worried constantly about the worsening water damage caused by the roof leaks.
We don't sleep that much.
Smart Storm Solutions attorney blamed the pandemic for the delay in Larry's case and apologized, saying the company should have communicated better with the Comans. After we started asking questions, they replaced the roof. The insurance companies say that the lawsuits are a good part of the reason that they're asking for double-digit rate increases.
I think most of the lawsuits are not frivolous. I think they're necessary to keep the insurance company in check.
But if we don't get this under control, rates will double in Florida in the next 2 or 3 years.
Senator Brandes says he will propose legislative reform measures in the spring that would reduce attorney fees and route some lawsuits into mediation. He's calling on legislative leaders to take action before Florida homeowners face another round of rate hikes many simply can't afford.
And I don't think we have a choice because we need the insurance.
Before your next policy renews, make sure you shop around and get multiple quotes. Also consider lowering your coverage limits and upping your deductible, but understand it will cost you more in the event you file a claim. I'm I-Team investigator Jackie Calloway taking action for you.